Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to see your past streams on Twitch on mobile. And for this, make sure that you log into your Twitch profile, and from there we go right in the bottom, and from there go to Creator Dashboard. Then from here we click on Channel, and here you can see your past broadcast at home, and if you go to videos you can also see your past broadcast from here. There is a way where you can see it very good on your PC. So if you want to check that option, please click on the eye right in the top, because there on your PC you can see the past broadcasts or live streams a little bit easier. Alright, this is the only way how you can see it on your phone. If you want to see it on a better way, please click on the video right in the top on your PC, how you can see it better from there. Alright, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.